This is the board after I finished the pre-lab discussion for the motion on an incline lab, and as you can see there's the two parts of the discussion. This left side is all of their observations of the car. Some of them are just clear observations. Towards the end of discussion I try to make sure that I ask them about the motion of the cart, so as you can see towards the end there's some statements about motion, but I like doing this because it gives them a situation and it really forces them to state what they see and use what they know from previous experience and maybe the prior unit on constant velocity. And so after we make our observations, then I ask them to list the things that they could measure and what tool they would use to measure it with. And so once they've listed all those things, I go through and we mark off the ones. We don't have a radar gun, so we cannot measure the speed. It's kind of hard to measure the distance that it bounces back. And all of the cars are going to have the same mass, so we label it constant. And then the angle of the incline, we already have all of them set at an angle. You don't want to change it, so that's also going to be a constant. So then we're left with time and position. And I refer them to the previous lab to help them to identify which one's independent and which one's dependent. So they come up with an independent variable of time and a dependent variable of position. I really like doing the pre-lab this way because it forces the students to take ownership and to come up with which variables they'll be testing themselves, even though I am leading them to what variables they are going to use in the lab experiment.